Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to explain what OD-off means and when you should use it. If you've seen the OD-off symbol on your dashboard, you might be wondering what it means. Many modern vehicles have this feature, and it's important to understand how and when to use it. In this video, I'll explain what OD overdrive off is, when you should turn it off, and whether it's something to be concerned about. I'll also show you the appropriate times to use overdrive and how it can affect your vehicle's performance. Plus, we'll discuss whether using overdrive or turning it off could cause any harm to your car. Let's dive in. What does OD off mean in a car? OD stands for overdrive, and OD off means the overdrive system is deactivated. Overdrive helps reduce engine RPMs, lowers engine noise, improves fuel efficiency, and minimizes wear. When OD off is lit, the overdrive gear isn't engaged, so the engine runs at higher RPMs for more power in lower gears. This is useful for towing or driving on steep hills. To reactivate overdrive, simply press the OD button. When to use overdrive? For highway driving at consistent speeds. On flat roads or during light commuting to improve fuel efficiency. To reduce engine noise and wear during normal driving conditions. When to turn off overdrive? While towing heavy loads for extra power. On steep hills or mountainous terrain to prevent constant gear shifting. In stop-and-go traffic where lower gears provide better control. How to turn off overdrive? The majority of today's cars have an overdrive button located on the gear shifter. In many cases, it won't be labeled as the overdrive button. Sometimes, there's a sign of a vehicle traveling on a hill. 1. Find the overdrive button on your gear shifter. It should be on the left-hand side. 2. Push the button in when you want to turn overdrive off. You should see an OD off symbol on the dashboard when you are successful. 3. Push the button again to turn the overdrive on. However, there are some cars that don't have the overdrive button. In these cars, you just need to move the gear shifter to the next gear down. This creates the same effect, otherwise known as manual shifting. Is it okay to leave the automatic car in overdrive all the time? In today's automatic vehicles, overdrive is automatically activated once your car reaches a certain speed, unless you turn it off. When you aren't traveling at highway speeds, the car won't go into overdrive. Therefore, it's only going to be used when it is needed. You want to leave the car in overdrive in normal driving circumstances. What you don't want to do is drive your vehicle every day with overdrive turned off. While this isn't proven to be dangerous to the engine or transmission, it doesn't provide the driving dynamics you are looking for. With overdrive off, you will use up more fuel than what's needed, and you will notice more engine noise because of the higher RPMs. Unless you have a purpose for turning overdrive off, it's best to leave it alone, allowing the transmission to do its job. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.